Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question what you can do if the gas cylinder of an office chair is too low and maybe even so low that it's scratching the floor. So how can you remove it, lift it up and put it back? Here you can see my chair after the repair, and there is more than 1 inch space here, so it is good. But before it was scratching on the floor when I was sitting and moving. So how can you do that? So what I recommend is to take the chair, put it on something like on a table or on a bed upside down, so you can see. So the base is on top and the seat is down, and then use a car jack. The best is to put some wood on top of the seat and also underneath, so the car jack is between the wood, because there can be quite some pressure. And when I was doing that before without the gloves, I hurt myself a little bit. And so this is actually the real attempt, the thing which I have done. I mean, you can put the car jack right on top of this thing because it's underneath the chair. Nobody will see if there are some scratches, but on top, of course, where there are these shiny legs, I would highly recommend to put something. Yeah, this is about how to do with screwdriver, something metallic long. You can turn this around, put some heavy pressure, but again, this is not the way to do it. I would not recommend to do it alone, and not recommend to do it without the gloves. So finally here I put some pressure on it, and you can see what's going to happen. More and more pressure. Yeah, now it removed already a little bit, but it's still there, and I keep putting some pressure, and yeah, now it was gone. I mean, at least base is loose, but also I had some injury on my hand. Not a big deal, but still something which is not needed. You can see now after that you can remove the base from the chair. Hopefully, at least. I mean, there are always two possibilities. Either the gas cylinder removes from the seat, or the gas cylinder removes from this base here. At least in my case, it works exactly how I wanted that, to remove the cylinder from the base and not from the seat. If it's only removing from the seat, you have still the option to put it like on a table, but you have to be careful, or somewhere, and then use a large hammer and hammer this thing, this cylinder, in the middle down. I've seen this from some other people, but of course there you have to be really careful not to damage anything, not the table, not the bed, not the base. But it looks like it can be done. And now there's a question what to do. You have to put some padding in between or around the gas cylinder. I mean, that's not the best option, such duct tape, but I've been doing that maybe 10, 15, 20 times around. I have been doing that, I would say maybe 10, 15 times. Maybe you do it 20 times, or a test to apply a little bit and then test if it already improves. But the thing, of course, when you apply some weight, when you sit on it, then it goes a little bit lower, of course. So it's a little bit hard to tell how much it needs. So you can see I put it on top. What's the thing here at the beginning? You can see that clearly, that it's wobbling around, it's unsafe, it's moving, it's shaky. But as soon as you sit on it and there's some pressure, it will push the gas cylinder into the base so strong that it's not shaking around anymore, at least not in my case, and I'm pretty sure it will be same for most of the chairs. So I'm now sitting exactly on this thing, and as you have seen already at the beginning of the video, there is now this about 2, or at least 1.5 inches distance here. It's not scratching on the floor anymore. It's definitely working. I'll leave it like that. It's not an absolute beauty, but of course you could also use black tape or something else, maybe silver or whatsoever, that it looks a little bit better. But I think it has stabilized. At the beginning the gas cylinder was a little bit higher, maybe here, and then over the first couple of hours it moved a little bit lower, and now it's totally stuck and it looks like it's not going any lower. So for me that definitely works, and I hope it will work for you too. If you have any questions or comments or better solutions, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.